welcome to my channel, Learn and Earn, to live your life on your own terms. Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel, Learn and Earn Academy. And today in this video, we are going to talk about world's first foldable smartphone. Now can you imagine that you can fold your smartphone no matter which position you want to? You can fold it and you can use it as per your own convenience. This is amazing. In fact, I was amused and even surprised to see something of this sort happening. But it is a reality. Rouyu FlexiPai is the name of the smartphone which is coming up first in the world foldable smartphone. So in this video, we are going to learn about this foldable smartphone. So if you like this video, you can press the like button, you can subscribe to my channel, and you can also share this video on social media. Please help us to spread education in this beautiful world. Now let us see what is this all about. Now this is a Chinese manufacturer. Rouyu has 7.8-inch HD display. It runs on Snapdragon 8150 SoC chipset. The Snapdragon 8150 or Snapdragon 855, it is yet to be announced. So this processor on which the chipset on which this phone will run, in fact, is still not launched. Now this is something which will definitely be a treat for the customers. It will be the next flagship processor from Qualcomm based on 7nm manufacturing process. Now this chipset is itself going to be a great revolution, and this mobile phone which you can fold as per your convenience, carry out wherever, however you want to, will be something which will definitely excite people. If not excite, but it'll certainly be a great treat to watch how this phone will actually operate. Now what are some of the specifications? It is to have a folding display. It is first to run on the next generation processor from Qualcomm. The folding display is 7.6mm thick, so it's very thick as well. 6GB and 8GB RAM variants are available, so you do have good options when it comes to the memory part of it. Now why is the buzz? Why are people talking about this? Now the first thing which anyone would even not have dreamt in the wildest of the imagination, that a phone can come which can be folded, in fact, in from the half, from the middle part, or from anywhere, and you can fold and use your smartphone. Now this itself is the buzz. So it is available in 128, 256 and 512GB storage options. The smartphone has dual 16 megapixel and 20 megapixel rear camera setup. It has wide angle and a telephone lens, and I'm sure this will certainly be a great launch whenever it is going to launch. Support RO charger, the company's proprietary fast charging technology. Now this is again an invention which only the time will tell how it works, but it will definitely raise the eyebrows of everyone. Starting price of the device is approximately 95,380 rupees. Now this is something which is definitely not affordable, but people would definitely want to go and see how exactly it looks like. If it comes in the showrooms, at least I am going to go and have a hands-on experience on that. So I'm sure this will certainly be a great launch this year, which will definitely be on top of the cards for all the technology fan lovers. The number one technology fan lover is me. So I would also be waiting for this great mobile phone which is foldable and can be used in different ways. So if you like this video, you can press the like button, you can subscribe to my channel, you can also share this video on social media. Please help us to spread education in this beautiful world. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.